हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू वीकेंड में आप सभी का स्वागत है। आज की क्लास में हम यस नो टाइप वाले क्वेश्चन आंसर्स की प्रैक्टिस करेंगे। सेपरेट सेंटेंसेस की प्रैक्टिस हम ऑलरेडी कर चुके हैं। आज कंबाइंड वे में हमें प्रैक्टिस करनी है, तो आज की प्रैक्टिस के लिए तैयार हो जाइए। आइए शुरू करते हैं। हमारे पास सब्जेक्ट हैं आई, वी, यू, दे, बॉयज़। इन सभी के साथ में डू का यूज़ होता है। फिर है ही, शी, रेहान, माधुरी, माय मदर इन लॉ। इन सब के साथ में डस का यूज़ करेंगे। तो आइए स्टार्ट करते हैं। फर्स्ट वर्ड है हमारे पास प्रैक्टिस के लिए प्ले क्रिकेट। क्वेश्चन कैसे होगा? डू आई प्ले क्रिकेट? क्या मैं क्रिकेट खेलती हूँ? डू आई प्ले क्रिकेट? अभी हिंदी में प्रैक्टिस करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, इंग्लिश में डायरेक्ट प्रैक्टिस करेंगे। ओके, स्टार्ट करते हैं। पहला वर्ड है प्ले क्रिकेट। स्टार्ट करें, आई से बोलना स्टार्ट करें। डू आई प्ले क्रिकेट? यस, यू प्ले क्रिकेट। डू आई प्ले क्रिकेट? नो, यू डू नॉट प्ले क्रिकेट। नेक्स्ट, वी, डू वी प्ले क्रिकेट? यस, वी प्ले क्रिकेट। डू वी प्ले क्रिकेट? नो, वी डू नॉट प्ले क्रिकेट। डू यू प्ले क्रिकेट? यस, आई प्ले क्रिकेट। डू यू प्ले क्रिकेट? No, I do not play cricket. Do they play cricket? Yes, they play cricket. Do they play cricket? No, they do not play cricket. Boys, do boys play cricket? Yes, boys play cricket. Do boys play cricket? No, boys do not play cricket. Does he play cricket? Yes, he plays cricket. Does he play cricket? No, he does not play cricket. Does she play cricket? Yes, she plays cricket. Does she play cricket? No, she does not play cricket. Rehan, does Rehan play cricket? Yes, Rehan plays cricket. Does Rehan play cricket? No, Rehan does not play cricket. Madhuri, does Madhuri play cricket? Yes, Madhuri plays cricket. Does Madhuri play cricket? No, Madhuri does not play cricket. My mother-in-law, does my mother-in-law play cricket? Yes, your mother-in-law plays cricket. Does my mother-in-law play cricket? No, your mother-in-law does not play cricket. Next word है teach English. स्टार्ट करेंगे I से। Do I teach English? Yes, you teach English. Do I teach English? No, you do not teach English. Do we teach English? Yes, we teach English. Do we teach English? No, we do not teach English. Do you teach English? Yes, I teach English. Do you teach English? No, I do not teach English. Do they teach English? Yes, they teach English. Do they teach English? No, they do not teach English. Boys, do boys teach English? Yes, boys teach English. Do boys teach English? No, boys do not teach English. Does he teach English? Yes, he teaches English. Does he teach English? No, he does not teach English. Does she teach English? Yes, she teaches English. Does she teach English? No, she does not teach English. Rehan, does Rehan teach English? Yes, Rehan teaches English. Does Rehan teach English? No, Rehan does not teach English. Madhuri, does Madhuri teach English? Yes, Madhuri teaches English. Does Madhuri teach English? No, Madhuri does not teach English. My mother-in-law, does my mother-in-law teach English? Yes, your mother-in-law teaches English. Does my mother-in-law teach English? No, your mother-in-law does not teach English. Next word है cook food. I से start करेंगे। Do I cook food? Yes, you cook food. Do I cook food? No, you do not cook food. Do we cook food? Yes, we cook food. Do we cook food? No, we do not cook food. Do you cook food? Yes, I cook food. Do you cook food? No, I do not cook food. Do they cook food? Yes, they cook food. Do they cook food? No, they do not cook food. Boys, do boys cook food? Yes, boys cook food. Do boys cook food? No, boys do not cook food. He, does he cook food? Yes, he cooks food. Does he cook food? No, he does not cook food. She, does she cook food? Yes, she cooks food. Does she cook food? No, she does not cook food. Rihan, does Rihan cook food? Yes, Rihan cooks food. Does Rihan cook food? No, Rihan does not cook food. Madhuri, does Madhuri cook food? Yes, Madhuri cooks food. Does Madhuri cook food? No, Madhuri does not cook food. My mother-in-law, does my mother-in-law cook food? Yes, your mother-in-law cooks food. Does my mother-in-law cook food? No, your mother-in-law does not cook food. नेक्स्ट वर्ड है प्ले गिटार. डू आई प्ले गिटार? यस, यू प्ले गिटार. डू आई प्ले गिटार? नो, यू डू नॉट प्ले गिटार. वी, डू वी प्ले गिटार? यस, वी प्ले गिटार. डू वी प्ले गिटार? नो, वी डू नॉट प्ले गिटार. यू, डू यू प्ले गिटार? यस, आई प्ले गिटार. डू यू प्ले गिटार? नो, आई डू नॉट प्ले गिटार. दे, डू दे प्ले गिटार? यस, they play guitar. Do they play guitar? No, they do not play guitar. Boys, do boys play guitar? Yes, boys play guitar. Do boys play guitar? No, boys do not play guitar. He, does he play guitar? Yes, he plays guitar. Does he play guitar? No, he does not play guitar. She, does she play guitar? Yes, she plays guitar. Does she play guitar? No, she does not play guitar. Rihan, does Rihan play guitar? Yes, Rihan plays guitar. Does Rihan play guitar? No, Rihan does not play guitar. Madhuri, does Madhuri play guitar? Yes, Madhuri plays guitar. Does Madhuri play guitar? No, Madhuri does not play guitar. My mother-in-law, does my mother-in-law play guitar? Does my mother-in-law play guitar? Yes, your mother-in-law plays guitar. Does my mother-in-law play guitar? No, your mother-in-law does not play guitar. नेक्स्ट वर्ड है buy vegetables. आई से स्टार्ट करेंगे. Do I buy vegetables? Yes, you buy vegetables. Do I buy vegetables? No, you do not buy vegetables. Do we buy vegetables? Yes, we buy vegetables. Do we buy vegetables? No, we do not buy vegetables. Do you buy vegetables? Yes, I buy vegetables. Do you buy vegetables? No, I do not buy vegetables. Do they buy vegetables? Yes, they buy vegetables. Do they buy vegetables? No, they do not buy vegetables. Boys, do boys buy vegetables? Yes, boys buy vegetables. Do boys buy vegetables? No, boys do not buy vegetables. Does he buy vegetables? Yes, he buys vegetables. Does he buy vegetables? No, he does not buy vegetables. Does she buy vegetables? Yes, she buy vegetables. Yes, she buys vegetables. Does she buy vegetables? No, she does not buy vegetables. Rihan, does Rihan buy vegetables? Yes, Rihan buys vegetables. Does Rihan buy vegetables? No, Rihan does not buy vegetables. Madhuri, does Madhuri buy vegetables? Yes, Madhuri buys vegetables. Does Madhuri buy vegetables? No, Madhuri does not buy vegetables. My mother-in-law, does my mother-in-law buy vegetables? Yes, your mother-in-law buys vegetables. Does my mother-in-law buy vegetables? No, your mother-in-law does not buy vegetables. Bring water. I से start करेंगे. Do I bring water? Yes, you bring water. Do I bring water? No, you do not bring water. Do we bring water? Yes, we bring water. Do we bring water? No, we do not bring water. Do you bring water? Yes, I bring water. Do you bring water? No, I do not bring water. Do they bring water? Yes, they bring water. Do they bring water? No, they do not bring water. Boys, Do boys bring water? Yes, boys bring water. Do boys bring water? No, boys do not bring water. He, does he bring water? Yes, he brings water. Does he bring water? No, he does not bring water. She, does she bring water? Yes, she brings water. Does she bring water? No, she does not bring water. Rihan, does Rihan bring water? Yes, Rihan brings water. Does Rihan bring water? No, Rihan does not bring water. Madhuri, does Madhuri bring water? Yes, Madhuri brings water. Does Madhuri bring water? No, Madhuri does not bring water. My mother-in-law, does my mother-in-law bring water? Yes, your mother-in-law brings water. Does my mother-in-law bring water? No, your mother-in-law does not bring water. नेक्स्ट वर्ड है ईट मैंगो। आई से स्टार्ट करेंगे। डू आई ईट मैंगो? येस, यू ईट मैंगो। डू आई ईट मैंगो? नो, यू डू नॉट ईट मैंगो। वी, डू वी ईट मैंगो? येस, वी ईट मैंगो। डू वी ईट मैंगो? नो, वी डू नॉट ईट मैंगो। यू, डू यू ईट मैंगो? येस, आई ईट मैंगो। डू यू ईट मैंगो? नो, आई डू नॉट ईट मैंगो। दे, do they eat mango? Yes, they eat mango. Do they eat mango? No, they do not eat mango. Boys, do boys eat mango? Yes, boys eat mango. Do boys eat mango? No, boys do not eat mango. He, does he eat mango? Yes, he eats mango. Does he eat mango? No, he does not eat mango. She, does she eat mango? Yes, she eats mango. Does she eat mango? No, she does not eat mango. Rihan, does Rihan eat mango? Yes, Rihan eats mango. Does Rihan eat mango? No, Rihan does not eat mango. Madhuri, does Madhuri eat mango? Yes, Madhuri eats mango. Does Madhuri eat mango? No, Madhuri does not eat mango. My mother-in-law, does my mother-in-law eat mango? Yes, your mother-in-law eats mango. Does my mother-in-law eat mango? No, your mother-in-law does not eat mango. नेक्स्ट वर्ड है परचेज कार। आई से स्टार्ट करेंगे। डू आई परचेज कार? येस, यू परचेज कार। डू आई परचेज कार? नो, यू डू नॉट परचेज कार। वी, डू वी परचेज कार? येस, वी परचेज कार। डू वी परचेज कार? नो, वी डू नॉट परचेज कार। यू, do you purchase car? Yes, I purchase car. Do you purchase car? No, I do not purchase car. They, do they purchase car? Yes, they purchase car. Do they purchase car? No, they do not purchase car. Boys, do boys purchase car? Yes, boys purchase car. Do boys purchase car? No, boys do not purchase car. He, does he purchase car? Yes, he purchases car. Does he purchase car? No, he does not purchase car. She, does she purchase car? Yes, she purchases car. Does she purchase car? No, she does not purchase car. Rihan, does Rihan purchase car? Yes, Rihan purchases car. Does Rihan purchase car? No, Rihan does not purchase car. Madhuri, does Madhuri purchase car? Yes, Madhuri purchases car. Does Madhuri purchase car? No, Madhuri does not purchase car. My mother-in-law, does my mother-in-law purchase car? Yes, your mother-in-law purchases car. Does my mother-in-law purchase car? No, your mother-in-law does not purchase car. नेक्स्ट वर्ड है go to school। आई से स्टार्ट करें। Do I go to school? Yes, you go to school. Do I go to school? No, you do not go to school. We, do we go to school? Yes, we go to school. Do we go to school? No, we do not go to school. You, do you go to school? Yes, I go to school. Do you go to school? No, I do not go to school. They, do they go to school? Yes, they go to school. Do they go to school? No, they do not go to school. Boys, do boys go to school? Yes, boys go to school. Do boys go to school? No, boys do not go to school. He, Does he go to school? Yes, he goes to school. Does he go to school? No, he does not go to school. She, does she go to school? Yes, she goes to school. Does she go to school? No, she does not go to school. Rihan, does Rihan go to school? Yes, Rihan goes to school. Does Rihan go to school? No, Rihan does not go to school. Madhuri, does Madhuri go to school? Yes, Madhuri goes to school. Does Madhuri go to school? No, Madhuri does not go to school. My mother-in-law, does my mother-in-law go to school? Yes, your mother-in-law goes to school. Does my mother-in-law go to school? No, your mother-in-law does not go to school. नेक्स्ट वर्ड है बिलीव. आई से स्टार्ट करें. डू आई बिलीव? यस, यू बिलीव. डू आई बिलीव? नो, यू डू नॉट बिलीव. वी, डू वी बिलीव? यस, वी बिलीव. डू वी बिलीव? नो, वी डू नॉट बिलीव. यू, डू यू बिलीव? यस, आई बिलीव. डू यू बिलीव? नो, आई डू नॉट बिलीव. दे, डू दे बिलीव? यस, दे बिलीव. डू दे बिलीव? नो, दे डू नॉट बिलीव. बॉयज़, do boys believe? Yes, boys believe. Do boys believe? No, boys do not believe. He, does he believe? Yes, he believes. Does he believe? No, he does not believe. She, does she believe? Yes, she believes. Does she believe? No, she does not believe. Rihan, does Rihan believe? Yes, Rihan believes. Does Rihan believe? No, Rihan does not believe. Madhuri, does Madhuri believe? Yes, Madhuri believes. Does Madhuri believe? No, Madhuri does not believe. My mother-in-law, does my mother-in-law believe? Yes, your mother-in-law believes. Does my mother-in-law believe? No, your mother-in-law does not believe. तो कैसी रही आज की प्रैक्टिस? क्या बहुत ज़्यादा पानी प्यास लगा आप लोगों को? लगा होगा. तो इसी तरह से प्रैक्टिस करना है. प्रैक्टिस करते रहिए और फिर मिलेंगे नेक्स्ट क्लास में. अगर आज की क्लास की प्रैक्टिस में किसी भी तरह की कोई भी परेशानी हुई हो तो प्रीवियस क्लासेस को देख लें. लिंक आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन में मिल जाएगा और इंग्लिश की प्लेलिस्ट भी बनी हुई है. आप चाहे तो वहाँ से देख सकते हैं. वहाँ पर सेपरेट वीडियोस हैं हर एक सेंटेंस के. तो कोई भी डाउट होगा तो वहाँ से आपका सारा जो भी डाउट होगा वहाँ से सारे डाउट्स आपके क्लियर हो जाएंगे. तो फिर मिलेंगे नेक्स्ट क्लास में. तब तक अपना ध्यान रखें. वीडियो को लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग द वीडियो. सी यू सून. बाय बाय.